Welcome to Science Friday!
Welcome to Science Friday. Hello everybody, I'm Mark Johnson. I used to be a baseball player in the MLB until I truly realized my passion, rocks. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Why are you, scholar, here today?
I'm here for the extra credit.
First, we're going to talk about the rock groups. There are 3 types of rock groups. The first up is igneous. Those rocks are relating to volcanoes. They're formed when magma cools. The cooling time has to do with the texture. The magma can be glassy with quick cooling time, like obsidian. Or the magma could have a long cooling time and be like granite, which has large, grainy pieces of other things in it. Sedimentary is a name of a group of rock. Those rocks have processes. They are formed with erosion, deposition, compaction, and sedimentation. One way to identify sedimentary rocks are that those rocks have lines in them. Their examples of sedimentary rocks would be limestone, coal, and sandstone. Metamorphic is the third name of group of rocks. Those rocks are ones that are changed by heat and by pressure when inside the Earth's core. They are classified by grain size. Their examples of metamorphic rock are slate, marble, and gneiss. Now a word from our Science Friday sponsor, sedimentary sandwiches, layers and layers of meat. Now let's jump into a rock cycle exhibit with a guest appearance news report, rocks and how they got here.
Now we take a break from Science Friday live with Mark Johnson and take a nice jump into the field with our rock expert, James Taco.
I'm James Taco, and there's a Category 5 hurricane out here, so we're taking shelter out here in the bench. I'm going to talk to you about the rock cycle today. We all know the rock cycle is how rocks break down repeatedly over millions of years. Well, I prepared you this diagram, and basically the three main processes you need to know are erosion, melting, and heat and pressure. These are some ways of how rocks can break down both over and inside the crust, and they are reformed by being deposited into the crust and also by volcanic eruptions. Once settled, they stay there for a very long time until natural causes like dirt and water cause settled rock to have erosion.
It feels like Mr. Taco is in some trouble out there. We wish him luck. Okay, student, the next thing I will teach you about today is coral reefs. Thousands of coral animals make up these coral reefs. These coral animals eat microscopic particles in the water. Coral has to get sunlight on it, though. It is a plant and it is alive. Therefore, almost all of coral grows within 40 meters of the surface of the water. Almost all coral also goes outward to the open ocean.
Mark, what does coral have to do with rocks?
That's a great question. You see, coral is actually organic limestone. Over time, lots of time, coral reefs will turn into limestone deposits.
Well, yeah, I understand that, but how does coral even form? I have to ask these questions for extra credit. So.
Wow, that is another great question. Coral animals will absorb calcium from the water around it to form coral and eventually build up a larger coral reef. The coral animals are very, very small, though. Even tinier than your fingernail. Well, student, that is it for coral. And that is it for Science Friday. Yes! Thank you for coming. And we hope you have a good rest of your Friday. This is Mark Johnson. Goodbye.